What's up YouTube? Anything Billy here. On today's video we're going to be replacing front brakes and rear brakes on a 2016 Kia Sedona. So let's get started. Alright, so just remember, before any brake job, make sure you take the brake reservoir cap off and put a rag under it. That way it's got resistance for the air to come up when you squeeze in the calipers. I put a rag on there because a lot of times people top these off without checking the brakes, so the rags help to absorb some of the brake fluid. This one will probably leak a little bit. Alright, so tools you'll need for this job is you'll need a 14mm ratchet and socket, which will fit both front and rear, a straight screwdriver, some type of piston compression tool, lubrication for the slides if they stick, and then like always, no job is complete without the hammer. This is going to be just a straightforward brake job front and rear. I don't see any reason why I should have any problems, but if I do, I will stop and we'll address them. But for this video, I'm just going to go passenger side front, driver side rear, passenger side rear. I'm just going to go around and change them all. If I run into any issues, we'll stop and we'll address them. But it's just a simple brake job. I mean, nothing's rusted, nothing seems bad, so let's get started. I run into a problem. For some odd reason, nothing's lining up. I gotta have this flat, so I know what I'm doing wrong here. So let's stop here. So something ain't right here. Okay, that's in there. That's up in there. That's there. There we go. Gotta find one with the anti-squiller in it. Okay. That. So here's this. Whenever you think everything's going to go smooth, it don't go smooth. Nope. Because this right here is bent. I mean, it ain't. I don't understand why it is. This bent. It makes no sense. It's just bent. I don't know. Very weird. Let's see. Appears to be good now. Every time you put new hardware on one of these, you know, they're not going to be 100%. They're not going to be 100% like the factory, so if they're just a little off, it'll be fine. Just make sure you just make sure they don't rub, because that'll really do some squilling. Alright, so we've made it here to the back brakes. As you can see, the only problem I really had on the front brakes was the hardware didn't want to sit right, but I tweaked a little bit and I got it where I need it to be. That way it don't squeak. So now we're on to the back. Just like the front, any problems, I'll stop and address it. Otherwise, here we go. Okay. All right. Now around to the other side. Oh, we're over here on the passenger side. Come on. Why is it so freaking takes so long? Okay. Alright, well, there's all 4 brakes put on there. Now the only thing left to do is put the tires on there and take it for a test drive. Alright, now that you got the wheels and tires on there, the last thing you do is make sure the brake cap's on there and the brake fluid's full, and we'll take it on a test drive. Alright guys, welcome back to another test drive on this 2016 Kia Sedona. First thing you want to do is you'll make sure you pump the brakes up. That way you got a pedal when you back her out of the garage. Start it up. Always buckle up for safety. Alright, pedal seems pretty good. In reverse here. Back her up. Oh. Got that D-brake off. Back her up. Brakes. Oh yeah, she got some good brakes. Okay. Some kind of noise in here, don't know what it is. Back up. There we go. So like on the other test drives, we're going to be driving down the road. We're going to be listening first, see if we hear any squeaks, any grinding, see if we feel any vibration, any popping. So far so good. Come out and take a ride out of the shop, head down the road. Sounds like somebody's watching a video back there. So far everything feels pretty good. Don't feel any vibration. Don't hear any squeaking or squalling or metal to metal. Speed limit's 45. Let's get up there. Oh yeah, smooth. So far everything's been good. I ain't felt any kind of vibration or anything. Things thumping, feeling good. Let's get back to the shop. I think every car that I've had on this road, I think's got some kind of road noise. It's either road or tire noise. I'm telling you, brakes are smooth. Well, as I turn onto the road that the shop's on, everything seems to be good. I didn't feel any vibrations. Don't hear any grinding, any squealing or anything. So, well, as I pull back into the shop, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like my videos and want to see more brake jobs, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So until next time, bye now.